Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Wife Makes This Arrest 100 Times Worse."
This traffic stop for a broken tag light is about to go from 0 to 100 real fast.
Get on the road and grab, bro.
It's 3 a.m. when officers stop this vehicle for a broken tag light. The vehicle has dark tints and the operator requests that the officer speaks to him at the driver's side instead of talking to his wife. Animosity is already growing between both parties and it's only going to get worse.
For no reason. Hop out. Okay.
This is my vehicle.
Now let me hop out the car.
What is going on?
I don't know. Let's figure it out. Hey. What are you doing? Hey, chill out, bro.
Get the
you just what are you doing, bro? Hey, bro. Hey, man. What are you get out of the fucking car? Hey, man. Hey, man. Don't drag me like that. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Drag me, dude. What are y'all doing? Get on the road and grab, bro. What are you? Hey, man. Back up. Back up. Get on the ground, bro. Get on the ground, bro. Back up. Back the fuck up. You right. My hands fine, bro. It's all good. Y'all some bullshit, bro. You right. Y'all some bullshit, bro. What is it? We're fine.
What just happened? Like, why did y'all even pull us over?
It's all good, Jenny.
What is going on?
I'm gonna shoot him. Damn, dog. I can't get this fucking wrench right here. Get this fucking. Just put the cuffs on, bro. It's not that serious. I don't know if this dude's fucking drunk or what. I'm not drunk at all. I mean, you can give him a breathalyzer, do whatever. I don't drink. Throw on your side. I don't know what he's doing. No, he asked me to get out the car, bro.
You doing all this because you got some weed on you?
Bro, I have a weed license, dude. I have a weed license. Medical marijuana license, man.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
He opened the door. He asked him to get out. He's standing in front of the door.
When you were given a lawful order and you
He
refused
opened the door. He opened the door to get out. He
And
did
then-
nothing wrong. And when I listen, tomorrow
And then he
morning,
did not get
y'all
out.
gonna regret
I
this
got out
tomorrow.
the car, bro.
You're gonna regret this.
I got out the car, bro.
Okay, get in the car.
And my wife is the CRA manager for the city of St. Augustine, bro.
I don't care.
You're right, but I didn't do nothing wrong. Be different if I did something wrong. Hey, man, you don't gotta do. Hey, bro, I'm 6'5",
Put your
bro.
legs in the
Hey,
car.
officer. Hey, officer.
Put your legs in the car.
I'm trying, bro. I'm 6'5",
Swing
bro.
around. He's asking you to put your feet in the car,
Did
man.
you see my? Look at my leg right here. Look at this leg, bro.
You have fucking a brain. Move.
I am
Just move.
6'5", bro. You gotta give me a second, my man.
Okay, well then take your second.
like you-
Back the fuck up. Back up, man. Because you're not listening, dude.
Hey, officer, can you help me out, bro? Like, I'm 6'5", bro. I swear to God, I can't.
I got nothing for you, bro. This is the only place we can put you.
Can you switch my hands to the front so I can?
No.
I can't sit on my fucking hands, bro. I can't get in. You can. You have this one turned the wrong way. I can't sit on my fucking hand, bro.
Step out and we'll sort it out.
Damn.
Here's your camera.
It's all good, bro.
Hey, get this dude. Keep him away, please.
That one right there is turned the wrong way, bro. Thank you, sir. Ain't out here doing
That's as good as it can get.
That's fine, that's fine. He just fixed.
Take a seat, please.
And he popped two of my chains, my necklaces, bro.
Well, I got a piece of it. Just take a seat.
Never gave a reason. Why did you pull us over to?
You don't have a tag light on the car.
So say that, sir. You walked to the car and shined the light.
Shut up!
You didn't say anything.
Hey,
You came to
Hey.
the car and shined the light on us, and we asked
Stop
why you pulled us
talking.
over. No,
Stop
sir,
talking.
I won't. I'm not doing anything
you don't.
wrong.
You are adding nothing to this.
You, sir, you were
Nothing
wrong.
about what you're
Sir,
saying.
you were wrong.
I don't care what you say right
But
now.
you were wrong.
Nothing you say matters.
You
Nothing.
were wrong, sir.
So you can talk all you want. You
Sir,
can just be
you were
quiet.
wrong.
I don't care.
Close my door,
Believe
sir.
what you want.
I'm right here. I'm watching on your camera.
So I stopped this fucking guy, already being a fucking asshole. I go to the other side, tell him to hop out. What he does is takes the door, throws it straight into my fucking legs, being a fucking asshole.
Okay.
So that's all like, all right, cool, get out. He's like, no, I'm not fucking getting out. I'm not fucking getting out. And then I try to yank him. And then,
to get out.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, easy. That's what I figured. Let me explain to you how this works. When the police tell you to do something, you do it. There is no choice.
Get back in the car.
He can come on this side, Reggie.
Supreme Court says you stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Come on this side and get in the car.
There you go. I don't care what side you go in the car.
You don't know where your license is at?
No, I can give you my arm.
Well, is that your old lady in the car?
That's my wife.
Okay, dude, okay.
She's probably flipping out because she's trying to figure out, like, why we was getting pulled over. What's going on, bro?
I was gonna explain everything.
Yeah.
And you guys brought it from a normal traffic stop level, bro, to up here for no reason.
Okay, dude. Mr. Flannery, I'll level with you. The climate for officers dealing with people is not good, bro.
Dude,
I'm just saying.
This is years old,
I know. I'm just saying the climate, bro. I'm just talking about the climate. It's fine, bro. It's a difference of opinion. So when you pulled us over, the first thing you said was, "Why is he pulling us over?" I said, "I don't know, Jamie. Let me deal with it. I'm just trying to speak to you because I'm the driver. They don't have any like." I'm driving, bro. I'm trying to take care of it. That's my wife. That's my little cousin. So I don't want them to get in. I don't want them to be irate. I'm trying to deal with it. I'm like, hey, man, come over here. Let me talk to you, bro. Come to this side. Because you know what I'm saying?
Are you the registered owner of this? Is this your car, bro?
That's my wife's car.
It's your wife's car? Okay.
Yeah.
What is... She's not giving me your... She's not giving me your license. Give me your name.
My name is Marshall. M-A-R-Q-U-E-L.
Okay. Give me 1 sec. I don't want to smush your legs in here.
No one damaged your vehicle. If he would have listened to what he was told to do, and then he told him he was not going to get out of the car.
That's not true. He literally opened the door and you.
God damn, she's annoying, man. I can't imagine, bruh. Like, I don't know what it is, man, but for some reason, I've been noticing, like, even with the last video we did with the illegal immigrants and stuff like that, it's like the women always getting in the way. Like, I understand being upset. I get all of that, but the cop's mind is already made up. Whatever he gonna do is what he gonna do. Whatever you say ain't gonna change nothing right now. It's not. So you just wasting your breath. And, you know, like, honestly, you just gonna waste your breath. Nothing you can say can better the situation. It's probably only gonna annoy the officer and have the officer find a reason to arrest you. It is what it is. I'm just saying, man.
Fine. Anything you're saying right now does not matter. What we're telling
See?
you is what happened.
Sir, I'm done answering questions. Y'all have me so upset right now. I'm
Okay, well, we can tow the... Hey, in a second, we can tow the car and you can walk. So just chill out. Just chill out. Yes, ma'am.
For what reason, sir?
You're going to stop.
I'm not getting stopped.
Okay,
I'm in the driver
no, I'm
right
saying
now.
let him in the car.
What is even going on? Like, this is... Y'all should
Because you're doing too much right now. Yeah.
What am I doing, sir?
You need to chill out.
What am I doing that's too
You need
much?
to chill out. You're
Because I'm asking
resisting.
questions.
You're resisting lawful commands when they're telling you to open the car and let him in.
I don't know what you can do to help her, but whatever she wants done with this right now, it's not going to happen. So you calm her down, whatever you need to do, but none of this is going to help.
That's why she's upset right now.
I can understand that, but you listen to the police.
He can't calm her down. They're all enablers. They all are going to, you know, let each other do whatever the hell they want to do. No one's going to take charge and take accountability for some actions. You know what I'm saying? None of them is going to sit there and tell them, yo, you're wrong. You know what I'm saying? Every now and then you need that family member. You need that, you know, this right here, you need that family member. You need that friend to be like, yo, chill out. Yo, you wrong. You know what I'm saying? Or tell it how it is. That's why, you know, obviously you don't know me in real life or whatever, but, you know, people got a love-hate relationship with me. You either going to love me or you're going to hate me. It's nothing in the middle. You know why? Because I keep it 100. Honest, blunt. I say whatever I feel. You know what I mean? Right? So it's one of them things, like, she's wrong. She keep going at the mouth. I'll be like, yo, shut up. Shut up. Whatever you say ain't going to change the situation. You know what I'm saying? And that's dead the issue right there. But none of them, they don't have that type of relationship. So they're going to let everybody do whatever the hell they want to do. And it's just, you know, so yeah, this guy is probably agreeing with her, honestly.
Man, this doesn't happen.
I don't even care right now. I'm so upset. I don't even know what is going on. I have three men.
Then you should probably take a breath and stop talking.
Either get in the car or go away.
That might help out.
Either get in the car or go away. That's the two options. It doesn't matter what she does.
Yeah, we can't have him standing in traffic all night. That ain't gonna work.
Go on the sidewalk. Reggie, go stand on the sidewalk. You can stand on the sidewalk. Let me see what you're talking
What are you
about.
going to do? Either get in the car or go away.
Sir,
Get him
you
locked
listening?
up too.
Okay. The Supreme Court gives you those two options, so you got to go with that.
Excuse me, I need everybody's, can I have a badge? I need badges and tag numbers for everybody, or something for everybody, because this is just crazy. I have no idea what is going on.
Okay, they can provide whatever you need before you leave, but
That's fine.
just have a seat.
I know how the law enforcement works, but y'all should be ashamed of y'all colleague for what he just did tonight. Like, that was shameful.
All right, just hang tight for me.
Your colleague is wrong.
Okay.
Like, he literally, all he had to do was say, hey, your tag light's out, license and registration. He literally came to the car shining lights. I don't know if it's because it's 3 in the morning, you guys are bored, or what just happened. That was crazy.
You got some dark tint on this window.
They're not illegal.
I'm not saying that. I don't know if they
And
are
they're
or
not
not.
even that dark. It
Okay,
maybe looks
but-
dark because of the time or whatever.
I gotcha.
Like, why is my window not going up?
But we don't know who we're dealing with. It is late
But
at
the
night.
windows were down,
I gotcha.
and he still had the light in my face. So he said, hey, I'm over here. I'm the driver. All he had to do was walk around the car. He's cursing. It's fucking dark. I know who the fuck is in here. Like, why are you speaking to us like that?
Okay.
Like,
I
it's not
understand.
right.
I understand.
Where's the weed that flew out?
On the front right here.
Okay, well, they have some type of reasonable suspicion, so they're gonna search your car.
And I'm waiting for suspicion. Suspicion of what? I need to know what the suspicion is before you search my car.
He's going to jail. That's
But what does that
all
have to do
we
with
need.
me? This is my vehicle.
He was driving. When you listen to the police, this doesn't happen.
Sir, you're a liar.
Yeah, okay.
Everybody listen to me.
Yeah, you're right.
Like, this is terrible.
Hey, ma'am.
I'm just moving away.
No, I'm giving you your license back.
Oh, thank you. I do too much work in this community.
I gotcha.
Everybody knows that I don't do anything in this community.
Yeah, but you're not in trouble, so stop taking it so personal.
I'm taking it personally because I was cursed out by your colleague for no reason.
I understand, but at the same time, they have to do their job. I don't
He
know what's
didn't
going
do
on
his
with
job,
him.
sir.
Okay, well,
Will you watch your tape check tomorrow? And I know that y'all have your, your relationships with your colleagues, because I know how I am about my people that I work with. But when nobody's done anything wrong, you're gonna look back at this and you're gonna be like, why would he do that to that man? That was wrong.
okay, I don't know what happened.
Are you the supervisor?
Yes, ma'am. Was there anything else you need from her? Zach, you good with the car?
Yeah.
I need everybody's info, please, so that I can do my paperwork tomorrow.
You can contact the sheriff's office. It's all public record.
I will, but I still need to know who I'm talking to tomorrow.
Everything's.
All these people.
You can call the sheriff's office, give them your information, and they can pull up the call, and it'll have everyone's information on it.
And this gentleman specifically is Bells?
Yes, ma'am. All right, ma'am, you're free to go.
And just for documentation, you said the reason you pulled the cover was the tag light, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just clarify.
There's a light shining on it, so you can't see right now.
Yeah, the tag light, that's right there.
We're good.
No, I'm just letting her know.
There's a tag light shining right there. Sir, the tag light is shining.
You're required to have both of them operational.
Y'all have a blessed night.
All right, you too.
Dude, you saw me standing right there. You were pissed off, so you opened the door straight into my legs, bro. That's exactly what you did.
That's how you take it. I mean, I might fit your narrative, bro, but that's not true, bro.
It's all on body camera, bro.
I know, but it's no way for me to open the door to hit you, bro.
It hit my legs. You opened it straight into me.
I can't leave it like that, man. Like, you understand right now.
Dude, you weren't talking to me as a man before, bro. I pulled you over for a fucking literal bullshit traffic violation. You didn't have any tag lights, and you wanted to make a fucking mockery of the whole thing, dude. You wanted to fucking tell me what to do. You wanted to act like you were the one who knew what was going on, bro. And that's not how, hey, newsflash. No.
My wife was in the car, bro. We went to the side of the car to my wife.
Because I'm not standing in the road, that's why.
I understand that, bro, but you gotta understand me as a man. I did not want you interacting with my wife because, see,
Then tell her to shut her mouth, bro.
that's not fair. Come on.
Okay.
That's not fair.
It's fucking 4 a.m. I don't feel like talking about any of this. I'll see you in court. Leave it at that. I just don't care about any of this anymore.
Lawton was originally charged with felony battery on an LEO and resisting an officer without violence. Prosecutors dropped the felony and downgraded the case to a single misdemeanor count of resisting without violence. He did not contest the charge and was sentenced to 1 day in county jail with credit for time served and ordered to pay $353 in fines and costs. He later missed the payment deadline and briefly had his driver's license suspended, but it was reinstated once he paid. At Blue Line Body Cam,
honestly, I agree with that sentence. I'm not gonna lie. I agree with how the courts handled that one. Not all the time. Most of the time I don't agree with it. But that one I agree with it, and I'm gonna tell you why. The cop's version of events, and I'm not saying he's right or wrong, right? The cop, what you have here is the officer's word, the suspect's word, and then the body cam, which is in the middle. Okay. The body cam is going to say everything. The officer's word of, his word of events is that the guy slammed the door into his leg. Okay. The suspect saying, I didn't do that. I just opened the door. I opened the door. It may have hit you, if you were close or whatever, but me slamming the door into your leg may fit the narrative, yada, yada, yada. So we got two different stories here, right? The intent of the door hitting the guy's leg and all that stuff, right? But on the body cam, we don't see any of that. Whether the way the body cam was placed or whatever, but we don't see any of that. So with that being said, felony battery on a Leo, I mean, there's not enough evidence for that. All you have is he say, she say. So I see why that was deaded. I see why. So with that being said, I think the officers did pretty decent. Man, that lady, man, she needs to just, oh boy. She just went on and on and on. And like later in the night when she was still expressing herself, but she was not doing all the yelling. She was just like talking more calm, but still expressing herself. That to me is fine, but the whole yelling and not letting the cousin back in the car and all of that, like none of that made sense to me. I don't understand any of that. Why you not letting him back in the car and he got to go walk somewhere? Like, what the hell? That was a whole trip, man. But anyway, I think the officers, it's, so. This case was kind of, So I give a 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.